search for a review of GlycoVista, and you'll find no shortage of sites confidently declaring it not a scam. The trouble is that nearly identical language shows up across reviews for a dozen other blood sugar supplements with different names, which says more about how this corner of the internet is built than it does about GlycoVista specifically. GlycoVista is sold as a pill-form dietary supplement aimed at blood sugar and metabolic health, positioned as a natural alternative or complement to more conventional approaches to managing glucose levels. Berberine, one of the ingredients associated with this product category, is a real compound that's been studied for its potential effects on glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity, so its presence is in itself a warning sign. The issue is the gap between that general research and proof that this specific finished formula, at whatever dose is actually in the capsule, produces the results implied in the marketing. I wasn't able to find independently published clinical trials evaluating GlycoVista as a complete product, and manufacturing claims like GMP certification or an FDA-registered facility, while common in the supplement category, weren't something I could independently confirm for this brand rather than take at face value from marketing copy. Customer testimonials are also hard to weigh on their own, since someone's blood sugar can shift for reasons entirely unrelated to a supplement, diet changes, weight loss, more activity, or other medication. None of this means GlycoVista doesn't work or is being sold in bad faith. It means the confident, legit verdicts circulating online are mostly resting on the same thin evidence as the marketing itself. If you're managing blood sugar concerns, especially alongside prescribed medication, the more useful step is talking to a doctor before adding any supplement, checking exactly what's in the capsule against your own health situation, and reading the refund policy directly from the official site rather than trusting a third-party summary of it.